Welcome to lesson 2 of Japanese 101 or elementary Japanese. So today we are covering more dialogues and topic 2 vocab, grammar, numbers, and homework. So today's dialogue is about Mary and the shop owner. Mary says, すみません、これはいくらですか? Shop owner says, それは3000円です。Mary says, 高いですね。じゃあ、あの時計はいくらですか? Shop owner says, あれは3500円です。Mary says, そうですか? あれも高いですね。店の人、それは1800円ですよ。Mary says, じゃあその時計をください。A man finds a wallet on the ground. これは誰の財布ですか? 私の財布です。ありがとうございます。So that's dialogue 1. Okay, let's go to dialogue 2. 店の人、いらっしゃいませ。メニューをどうぞ。Mary、どうも。これは何ですか? 店の人、どれですか? とんかつです。Mary、とんかつ? 魚ですか? 店の人、いいえ、魚じゃないです。肉です。美味しいですよ。Mary、じゃあこれをお願いします。Mary、すみません、トイレはどこですか? 店の人、あそこです。Mary、ありがとうございます。And there's dialogue 2. So the translation is over here. So it says, excuse me, how much is this? It is 3,000 yen. It's expensive. How much is this watch? That watch is 3,500 yen. I see that is expensive too. This is 1,800 yen. Then I'll take that watch. The stranger says, whose wallet is this? It's my wallet, thank you very much. The restaurant attendant. And then this is the second dialogue. Excuse me. The restaurant attendant says, welcome, here's the menu. Thank you. What is this? Which one? Oh, it's tonkatsu. Tonkatsu. Pork cutlet. Tonkatsu, is it fish? No, it's not fish, it's meat. It's very delicious. Then I will have this. Excuse me, where is the restroom? Mary asks. Restaurant attendant says it is over there. And Mary says thank you very much. Okay, and then there's so this is today's vocab. Kore, this one. Sore, that one. Are, that one over there. Dore, which one? Kono, this. Sono, that. Ano, that over there. Dono, which. Koko is here. Soko, there. Asoko, over there. Doko, where. Dare, who. Food. Oishii, delicious. Sakana, fish. Tonkatsu, pork cutlet. Niku, meat. Menu is menu. Yasai, vegetable. Things, kasa, umbrella. Kaban, bag. Kutsu, shoes. Saifu, wallet. Jeans, jeans. Oh, I mean jeans. Jeans is jeans. Jitensha, bicycle. Shinbun, newspaper. Sumaho, smartphone. T-shirts, t-shirt. Toke, watch. Noto, notebook. Pen, pen. Boshi is hat or cap. Hon is book. Places. Ginko, bank. Konbini, convenience store. Toire, bathroom. Toshokan, library. Yubin-kyoku, post office. Igirisu, Britain. Kankoku, Korea. Chugoku is China. Majors we have Eigo, English. Keizai, economics. Computer, computer. Business, business. Rekishi, history. Okasan is family. So Okasan is mother, Otosan is father. Money matters. Ikura, how much? En is yen. Takai is expensive or high. Expressions we have いらっしゃいませ which is welcome to our store. お願いします is please. おください is please give me. じゃあ then if that's the case. どうぞ please here it is. どうも is thank you. Alright. So that's a lot of vocab, but I don't expect you guys to know everything yet. Just practice, practice, practice. So here's the grammar. It's gonna be a lot long, but これ、それ、あれ, and どれ. So this is like this thing, that one, so forth. So that would be これ、それ、あれ. So これはいくらですか? So 3000円です. So when we have one word for this and two words for that. これ is like something closer to you, and それ is something that's like the person is closer to the person you're talking to, that thing in front of you, and are refers to a thing that is not close to you or the listener. So it's that one over there. So dore is like which one. Okay, so dore desu ka? Which one is that? Avoid using re series to reference people in their intro as introducing people. So you cannot say something like これは友達のMaryさん. That doesn't make sense. So number 2. この、その、あの、どの plus now. This is basically the same as this, but this one we use it for like if you want to do like this book, that much, we can use この、その、あの with a noun. So res series, this one stands alone, but this series, the no series, they do not stand alone, and they need to have wa and a noun. So they reference to people as well as things. But if you do the people, then that's not, it's considered like impolite. So この時計はいくらですか? How much is this watch? その時計は3000円です. That watch is 3000. あの学生は留学生です. That student is an exchange student. If you already know, well, one of the several students is Japanese, but you don't know which one it is, then you can say どの学生が日本人ですか? So どの is like, I don't know, but which one? So summarize. Yeah, これは is close to the person speaking. それは is close to the person listening. あれは、あのは is far from both. And so どれが is, or どのが is unknown. So これ、この、それ、その、あれ、あの、どれ、どの. So yeah, that's kind of it. And then we have ここ、そこ、あそこ、どこ. So all of these are for places. It's not for people. It's not for things. It's just for places. ここ is near me. そこ is near you. あそこ is over there. どこ is where. So you can ask, すみません、郵便局はどこですか? So by saying どこですか is saying where is the post office. So you can point to the post office and say あそこです. Or you could just say like 郵便局はあそこです. And then we have 誰 no noun. So we learned how to say like Mary's phone number and Takeshi's mother, right? Here we learn what something belongs to somebody. So be like これは誰のカバンですか? So 誰の points to whose bag is it. So you would say それはソラさんのカバンです. That is Sora's bag. Now, okay, number 5. now more. So lesson 1 we learned item A is this, item B is that. Now we learned item A is this, item B is that too. So this is the two, okay, particle. So it's gonna be Takeshi-san wa Nihonjin desu. This sentence, as you might know, says Takeshi is Japanese person. And then this one says Yui-san mo Nihonjin desu. So by adding mo, it says Yui is also Japanese. So, but pay attention to where the particle is placed. So to can be placed after the sentence in English, but in Japanese you can only put more after the item that it is introduced earlier. So you can't just put more as if like it's the first sentence. It should, yeah. And then we have in the example, you can see that Yuri gets more because it is likewise being that of Takeshi being Japanese. Alright. So, noun, janitis. So, to negate x, y, this, you would want to, you would, so you would put Yamada-san wa gakusei janai desu. So by adding janai desu, you're saying no, Yamada is not a student. So janai desu is very colloquial. So like the formal way of saying that would be like arimasen, and ja is contraction of deva, which is more formal and appropriate when you write it. So in addition to this, you will find something like Yamada-san wa gakusei ja arimasen. Ja arimasen is more conservative. Yamada-san wa gakusei de wa arimasen. So de wa arimasen is more formal and it's good for writing it down. Desu and janai must be accompanied by a noun. And the answer to the question, desu and janai do not stand alone. So, Nihonjin desu ka? And then the answer would be, oops, sorry about the spacing. Ie Nihonjin janai desu. So, it would be like, ie. But like you can't say something like ie janai desu. That doesn't make sense. So, we have affirmative, which is x or y desu, y, x is y. The negative would be x or y janai desu, ja arimasen, ja de wa arimasen. So that all the three is x is not y. And then number 7, we have ne and yo. Statement often with the tags ne or yo. Depending on the speaker's views and the interaction with the speaker. So if you're seeking speakers or agreement to what you're saying, then you add ne. So it'd be like, Lisa no senkou wa bungaku desu ne. Lisa no senkou wa bungaku desu ne. So it's saying, this one's saying, Mr. Lee, your major is literature, right? Desu ne. Right. これは肉じゃないですね. So that means it's not me, is it? It's not me, right? And if you want to tell the listener that you're confident on what you're selling and they have to believe you, then I put yo instead. So とんかつは魚じゃないですよ. じゃないですよ makes it like it's more like you're stating the fact that tonkatsu is definitely not a fish. Or something like, Sumi-san wa Igiritsu-jin desu yo. So, Igiritsu-jin desu yo. By saying that, you're just like, Mr. Smith is British. And not any other nationality. So, I was kind of lazy to finish, but anyways. These are numbers and additional phrases I thought might be good to like put the reference on here because on the homework they will ask you stuff. But this is just numbers from 100 and on. So I'm just gonna briefly do them. We don't have that much time. So it will be 100, 200, 300, 400, 500, 600, 700, 800, 900, 1000, 2000, 3000, 4000, 5000, 6000, 7000, 8000, 9000, and then 1 mil is 1万、2万、3万、4万、5万、6万、7万、8万、9万。I'm pretty sure after this there'll be cho, so icho, nicho. But like these are the hundreds, these are the thousands, and these are millions. Usually you don't have to know anything past this. For this, it's just like words in the classroom, like kokuban is a blackboard, Genki is light, hon is book, doa is door, curtain is curtain, jihyo is dictionary, mado is window, enpitsu is pencil, isu is chair, keshigomu is eraser, tsukue is desk. So yeah. There we have. わかりましたか? Do you understand? わかりました? I understand. I understood. わかりません is I don't understand. ゆっくり言ってください. So ゆっくり言ってください is please say it slowly. もう一度言ってください is please say it again. ちょっと待ってください. ちょっと待って is wait a minute. 聞いてください. 聞いてください is please listen. Please ask. 10ページを見てください。10ページ is page 10. 見てください. Please look. So it'd be please look at page 10. So I hope that this lesson helped you understand a little bit more. So I want you guys to for this lesson I want you all to try to do like the practice in the textbook from practice 1 to 7. You can skip the ones that might ask you to do like the listening ones or pair work because that might take too much time. Well, actually, you don't really need a pair. Yeah. You can just write the answers on a piece of paper for me, and that'll be fine. You don't have to like pair up in it or anything. But if you tell me what the prizes are, that'd be great. Yeah, just try to do some of the practice at least. I'm not gonna expect you guys to do all of it. And then, yeah. And then once you're done handling the classwork, I want you guys to do katakana practice on page 301 to 303 in the back of the Genki textbook, and then on workbook pages 25 to 30, which I will post later, but for now that's what I wanted to do and work on. Alright, that's about it. If you have any questions, I would like you to contact me and just ask me any questions you have, and how to do some exercises. So yeah. All right. Thank you.